Pop that.
Hello everybody, this is the Bulldozer, and thank you for giving me your time, and thank you for watching another one of my videos. Today we have another crazy video for you. Another video that shows you proof on the reason why you need a dash cam in your vehicle. Folks, would you rather pay a $250 deductible, $500 deductible, $1,000 deductible, wherever you might have, or would you rather pay $50 for a dash cam for your vehicle? Pay attention right here. You see the car in front of us going? Then the car across from us is going to turn. To our right, we got a red truck. Pay attention to the truck behind the red truck. They are going to blow this stop sign, but yet we got a car across from them that's got the right of way and they're going to turn. The person did not care about the right of way in this intersection. They was hoping that the car across from them was going to be going straight. But no, that car was making a left-hand turn. Now, I don't know if the car had the turn signal on or not. Maybe they didn't. Maybe this person was too busy in their phone. Who knows? But you can see how hard they took and hit their brakes. Let's slow this clip down for you in slow motion, and you can see just a little bit better on exactly what I'm talking about. Again, you see the vehicle across from us with their turn signal on, making their turn. Then you're going to see this red truck to our right. It's going to go straight across the intersection. Then this dark colored truck behind the red truck is going to go, as well as the vehicle to the right of the red truck is going to make a right-hand turn. Well, as this red truck goes, the vehicle across from the red truck, reason why they're not going straight is because they're making a left-hand turn. Well, as they're going to make their left-hand turn, this person decides to go. And as you look, you can see how they actually move forward in the front of their truck because they had to hit their brakes so hard because this car was in the process of their turn. So it can only be one of two things here, folks. Either it's distracted driving and they wasn't paying attention, or they didn't care. That's all it boils down to. I mean, you tell me. But if that would have been you in that vehicle that this truck almost hit, and you had the right of way, what do you think the story would have been from the person in the truck? You can guarantee this person in the truck is not going to tell the police that, oh, yeah, I blew the stop sign and, you know, I was at fault. The chance of them saying that nowadays, folks, is slim to none. Let's face it. Very rarely do you ever hear somebody admit to a fault. Not saying they wouldn't, but it's very rare, okay? So, but if you got it on video, it doesn't make a difference what that driver says. That's the reason why you need to have a dash cam in your vehicle. If you've got a $50, $100, $250, $500, whatever your deductible is, this is going to save you a $50 setup. You can go back and look at my videos. I got a video on the channel talking about my dash cam setup. Front dash cam in HD quality. You can see what it is right now. Sun's kind of blurring in it. There's other videos on the channel that shows the quality of it, as well as a rear dash cam for 50 bucks, folks, on Amazon. Make sure you check it out. Save yourself some money. Don't get caught up in a situation where you got to prove your innocence when you did absolutely nothing wrong. But when you got the video, it makes everything a whole lot easier for you. If you have to get your insurance company involved, you know for a fact your insurance company is going to look at that video. And it just makes it so you're not going to have a headache. And again, like I've told you before, I'm pretty sure I mentioned it in this video, I've spoken to police officers and they will look at your footage. And like the dash cam we have, I can pull off our dash cam, take it outside our vehicle, and show it to the officers. They can view our dash cam right there on the scene. There's an LCD screen that they can look at right there on the scene, and they can see exactly what happened. And that way our tails are covered. Because again, video does not lie. And it eliminates the he said, she said thing. So remember, folks, if you don't protect yourself, who is going to? You got to cover your backs because you can't depend on anybody else to do it for you. Here's some more videos you might be interested in seeing. On the left-hand side, as we are leaving this location, there's a Jeep in front of us. They're going to get to the bottom of this hill and make a left-hand turn. As they're doing that, there was a dually truck packed with a dozen bags of concrete blowing this red light and almost T-bones this Jeep. If they would have hit that Jeep, it'd been like a battering ram going through that Jeep. And at the last second, they swerved and missed them. And as I mentioned earlier about the quality of this camera, you can see it right there in that video. On the right-hand side, you can actually see the lights coming on right now. Another person running another red light right in front of a police car. Absolutely insane. And then here in the center of our video, as you can see right here, we've got a city bus so close to the bumper of our vehicle you can't even see the bottom of the bus. Absolutely insane. They was actually so close to the bumper of our vehicle, a person could not even walk in between of our vehicle and the bus. Literally, I mean, you can see, even in this video here, you can see how they inch up closer and closer. Absolutely insane. Then, as you watch this video, you can see how this bus driver actually ends up flipping me off. He was mad because we would not let him cut us off. He actually ran a stop sign. He was supposed to be back behind a stop sign and inched his way up into the intersection where he was not supposed to be, on the wrong side of the road where he was not supposed to be. But you have to watch the video to see exactly what I'm talking about. That's what this picture of the video is showing right here, where he was not supposed to be. Yeah, absolutely insane. There are some crazy videos, including a gas tanker on the channel running not one red light, but two red lights, folks. Now, some people would say they can't slow down because they're a tanker. This is how I look at it. If you're a tanker, chances are you're running that same route every day. You should know where the lights are. You should know when to slow down. And the fact you run two red lights in less than 5 minutes, that says a whole lot. Thank you for watching. Have a good day.